The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Los Angeles, CA, and Orange, CA, beginning at 7:11 p.m. and ending at 11:11 p.m. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Long Beach Police Department. On February 13, 2021, at approximately 1,730 hours, Justin Chan was abducted from Long Beach, California. Justin Chan is a 4-year-old Asian male, 3 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 35 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Justin Chan is believed to be wearing a blue shirt and red pants. The suspect was last seen driving a 2021 gray Honda Accord with California license plate number 8XPG 349. If seen, call 911.